student. I am Veena Dikshit, your chemistry mentor. I will give you and help you in every aspect of chemistry. I am with you, my child. Don't worry, you will get success. Please subscribe my channel. All the best. We are discussing about empirical and molecular formula. Here we will use this formula: N is equal to molecular weight by empirical weight, and second is molecular formula is equal to N times empirical weight. That is why value of N is a number, we have to find it out. Okay, now the molecular mass of benzene is given 78 unit, they have not written, gram per mole, and its percentage composition is 92.3% carbon and 7.69% of hydrogen. We have to find out molecular formula and structure. So carbon element and atomic weight, hydrogen element symbol and atomic weight. Percentage of element written 92.3 and 7.69. All these are in grams. So we have to convert this into grams. So how do we, these are in grams, sorry, these are in grams. And we have to convert it into moles. So given mass, this is given mass divided by atomic mass, that is equal to 7.69. Like that, 7.69, this is gram in 100 gram of the compound, in 100 gram of compound. 92.3% 92.3 gram of carbon is there, 7.69 gram of hydrogen is there. So we convert the both of them into moles. So 92.3 is the given mass divided by atomic weight of carbon, and we'll get 7.69, and 7.69 divided by 1, so it will be remain as such. It is very easy. 7.69 divided by 7.69, both of them are having one carbon and one hydrogen is there. So empirical formula is CH. So empirical weight will be 12 plus 1, 13. Okay, it is very easy. Now we have to find out formula. So how do we find out formula? So I told you this, N is equal to molecular weight divided by empirical weight. So 78 molecular weight is given, and empirical weight we have calculated 13. So 13, 6 times 13 is 78, so 6, and number is 6. So molecular formula will be CH multiplied by 6 times CH, that is C6H6, and the structure will be, it is having, it can be represented by two structures, two canonical structures are there. This is hexagonal benzene ring, alternate double bond is there, they are in conjugation with each other, so 3 pi bonds are there. Okay, so this is one, it is also called contributing structure, resonating structure, or canonical structure. Means benzene can be represented by these two structure, and this is the resonance hybrid, which is most stable structure of the benzene. Okay, so that is why you have seen that in many times they are putting circle,